Welcome to a small town lumberyard. This one that we happened to choose was Out by Star. So what we're going to be discussing in this video is the benefits of using a small town one versus a big box one like Home Depot or Lowe's. So here we go.
One of the biggest benefits of a small town lumberyard is personalized service. At big box stores, you'll sometimes wander the aisles aimlessly for hours, but at a small lumberyard, you'll get personalized service by people willing to help and very knowledgeable about what's in the store. They're going to help you find exactly what you need. And if you have any questions about a particular product or process or anything, they'll be able to answer questions that maybe a larger box store won't be able to answer.
Another benefit of shopping at a small town lumberyard is the quality of the products. At big box stores, you might get products that are mass-produced and aren't at the great quality that they are at the smaller ones. But at a small town lumberyard, you're getting materials that are meant to last and they're very high-quality materials. Plus, you're helping your local economy by helping the small businesses instead of a big chain like Home Depot or Lowe's.
So, speaking of small town lumberyards, they often offer delivery services. So if you're having a large thing built, they can deliver to your home. And also if you have a small car, sometimes they'll deliver to your home as well. These personalized services like delivery are amazing. This is great for large objects, like large sheets of plywood or possibly a bunch of drywall. It's really going to help you out to have some of that stuff delivered, especially for contractors who have a whole bunch of stuff that they need to bring onto a job site.
Finally, one of the best things about shopping at a small town lumberyard is the sense of community. You'll also see familiar faces at a small town lumberyard. The faces that you'll see can either be contractors or DIYers in their shops, or anybody that are just doing projects on their own. Because you're shopping at a small business, you know that it's helping the economy in your local area, and it's staying where it is. So next time you need building materials for a project you're doing, consider shopping at a small town lumberyard.
You'll get personalized service, high quality products, convenience of delivery, a sense of community, and knowing that your money is going to be staying in the local community. So if you like videos like these,
You should watch this one. It's pretty good. So like and subscribe.
and click on that bell notification so you can get notifications every time we post a new video, because we post a lot.
All the time, every Friday, sometimes even more.
Check out this video.
Yeah.
What?